Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cowrie shell is probably one of the most intriguing artifacts you can find, with a rich history spanning across cultures and continents. These beautiful shells have served as currency, decorative items, and symbols of spiritual significance for centuries. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of cowrie shells, exploring their origins, uses, and the unique stories they hold. Number 5. Natural cowrie shell beads for DIY jewelry making. These beautiful cowrie shells come in a pack of 150. They are perfect for a variety of crafting projects, and they are all natural and clean. Each shell measures between 0.63 and 0.71 inches. The size is ideal for making jewelry or adding to your existing crafts. The shells have a smooth cut surface and a big hole, making them easy to string. It is perfect for necklaces, bracelets, and more. Use them for necklaces, chokers, bracelets, earrings, rings, and more. The possibilities are endless with these versatile shells. They are also great for nautical decor, ornaments, and floral arrangements. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. What we like? These cowrie shells are 100% natural and feature a smooth cutting surface. They're perfect for a wide range of DIY projects, from jewelry making to home decor. If you're looking for a versatile and natural option for your crafts, you should definitely consider these. What people say. The shells are beautiful and in great condition. They are perfect for crafts. The shells are a good size and shape. Number 4. Bulk cut seashell beads cowrie craft. These bulk cut seashell beads are perfect for crafting. They bring the beauty of the ocean to your projects, making them unique and eye-catching. You'll receive 100 pieces of these natural cowrie shells. They're ideal for various crafts, adding a touch of nature and elegance to anything you create. Whether you're making jewelry, decorations, or other crafts, it's a versatile material. The shells are easy to work with and add a special touch to any DIY project. Let your creativity flow with these beautiful shells. They're perfect for adding texture and visual interest to your crafts, making them stand out. Bring the essence of the sea into your crafts. These shells are a natural and eco-friendly choice for all your creative endeavors, connecting you with the beauty of the ocean. What we like? This product offers a bulk quantity of cut seashell beads, ideal for various crafting projects. They are designed for easy use, making them perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. If you're planning a large craft project or need a lot of shells, this is the one for you. What people say. These are real Cowry snail shells. Varies in size and color. The Cowry shells were as expected. Nice size, shape, weight, and intact. They came in all different sizes, some big, some small. None of the shells were broken or shattered. Number 3. Tomorrow SHB1, Crispy Collection Seashell Hair Beads. Introducing the Tomorrow SHB1, a collection of beautifully crafted seashell hair beads. These unique beads are perfect for adding a touch of natural elegance to your hairstyle. Each bead is made from real, cut cowrie shells. They are carefully cleaned, polished, and finished to a high gloss, giving them a beautiful shine. The shells feature a smooth surface, making them comfortable to wear. They come in silver and mixed colors, offering a variety of styles. These natural cowrie shells are a great alternative to traditional beads. They are ideal for adorning your hair, locks, and braids. They are perfect for crafts and jewelry. It's easy to use and suitable for parties, weddings, or daily wear, allowing you to present unique styles. What we like? These cowrie shell beads have a highly glossy and polished finish, perfect for adding a unique touch to your hair. They are designed specifically for adorning hair locks and braids, offering a stylish alternative to traditional beads. If you like to add a unique style to your hair, then you should consider these. What people say. These are beautiful. Not thin, and a good size. So many compliments since I have added them to my hair. The package was closed correctly, none were broken, and the holes were big enough to add to my hair. They are shiny, but not slippery. Easy to grip to place in hair. I recommend. These cowrie shells were the perfect size and color. It was very easy to attach the metal rings I purchased separately to them and subsequently easy to add to my braids. They made a fun clicking sound upon moving around, and perfectly complemented the outfit I was wearing. They're lightweight, but sturdy and make a nice clinking sounds with my locks move around. Number 2. PEPPERLONELY Tiger Cowry Shells. These stunning seashells are a perfect addition to any collection. Each shell is unique in its own way, showcasing the natural beauty of the ocean. These shells are authentic and polished to perfection. They are a great way to bring a touch of the sea into your home. Ranging from 2 to 1.2 to 3 to 1.4 inches, they are ideal for display. You can use them in various crafts or simply admire their natural elegance. Whether you're a collector or just love the ocean, these shells are a must-have. They can be used in various decorative projects, adding a touch of coastal charm. These beautiful shells are a reminder of the sea's wonders. They are a perfect gift for anyone who appreciates the beauty of nature. What we like. These are polished tiger cowrie shells, offering a unique look with their natural patterns. The larger size makes them stand out, perfect for statement pieces. If you want something that makes a statement, then it is a great choice. What people say. These are beautiful shells and worked well for my project. They were a little smaller than expected, but very good quality. White, bright, shiny, large, just as wanted. Shells are beautiful and exactly the size advertised. Package arrived quickly and packed very good. None of the shells were damaged. Number 1. Honbay Cowry Shell Necklace for Women. This beautiful necklace is perfect for adding a touch of the ocean to any outfit. It's made with natural cowrie shells, making it a unique and stylish accessory. Each shell is carefully selected to create a stunning clavicle necklace. The natural design makes it versatile, suitable for both casual and formal occasions. The choker style sits perfectly on the neckline, enhancing your natural beauty. It's a comfortable and fashionable choice for everyday wear. Looking for a special gift? This necklace is a great choice. It's a thoughtful present that she will surely love and appreciate. With this necklace, you can carry a piece of the sea wherever you go. It's a simple yet elegant way to express your unique style. What we like. This is a natural shell cowrie clavicle necklace with a seashell drop design. It's a short and elegant choker, perfect for adding a touch of the beach to your look. If you are looking for a simple and elegant necklace, then it is a great choice. What people say. Real shells. Necklace is comfortable and very stylish. Great and well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.